Welcome friends, I am Muhammad Tahir Ahmed, your online instructor. Friend, we are learning the PHP basics course, and in previous video we have learned the usage of sending automatic mail to users, and in this video I will tell you that how can we upload images in PHP. So first of all, I will duplicate this page on the name of upload_image.php. So I go to my file folder, click on save as, and I give a new name to it, upload_image.php. I save it. Now I will delete the whole data. Control S. I go to my Chrome browser and I will open this page. Upload_image.php. So friend, you are watching that this folder is totally empty, and I would also like to tell you that we will have to make an image folder. So first I go back to my Notepad++ and I will make a form, because we need some input tags for uploading forms. Then I will also make a folder on the name of image. I go to my Chrome, I open my computer and I go to my G, and inside the XAMPP files, here is the XAMPP file. I will double click over it and htdocs and computer fever. Go inside and PHP basics, and here I click on new folder and I will make a folder on the name of images. Now I double click over it and show you that this folder is totally empty. So friend, now whatever the image I will upload, that image will go inside this images folder. So I go back to my Notepad++, and first of all I will make a form start and form close. And I will give action to this form. Action is equal to double quotes upload_image.php, because I have given this name to my page, and method, its method will be post. And now I use the ink type attribute. Whenever you want to upload any image or any media, other media like movie, you will have to use the attribute ink type. Ink type is equal to double quotes multipart / form -data. Now I write a heading text, select a file, and I will make an input tag. Input is a single tag, input space type is equal to double quotes file. There is a mistake in file spelling. File, I give it a name, is equal to double quotes image. I make one more input tag, input space type is equal to double quotes submit, and I will give it a name also. Name upload, and I will also give a value to it, which will be shown inside the input tag on my browser for users upload file. So now I go to my Chrome browser and I show you that how it looks like. So I refresh. Now you can see that select a file. User will click over it. When user will click over it, it will go to his computer. Now you see the user will go to his computer and select a file. and then it will upload a file, and then that file that will be shown here on our browser. So I come back to my notepad++, and all this thing will be done due to PHP. And here I make if statement. Like you can see that actually it is not the right method. I tell you that how you use the if set. You will write here if Francis and curly brackets, and you will make this kind of syntax, and here inside it you will write inside the Francis is set, if is set, and then you make once again Francis, and inside the second Francis you will write the method $_post square brackets and single quotes, and here you will give the name. I tell you that first I made the simple structure of if statement, which I have already told you in my first few lectures, if Francis and curly brackets, and inside the if Francis I wrote is set, and then I made once again curly brackets, and here I wrote the method which we are using. Like this is the method post we are using, $_post mean global variable, then square brackets, single quotes in square brackets, and I have given this name, whatever the name you will give here, you will write the same name here, upload. If I write here and some other name, then I wrote some other name here. So now I will come inside this curly brackets and I press enter, and here I make a variable on the name of $image. So I use the global variable of $_files for image uploading, 2 square brackets, not 1 square bracket, single quotes, and here I will write the name, whatever the name I have given here, the same name I will write inside the first square brackets. Now I come in second single square brackets, and here I will write name. So you will also write name, it is the default word. Now I will make one more default. I make one variable $image_tmp. So once again I write the global variable of $_files and 2 square brackets I make. Inside the first square brackets single quotes, and I will write image, and inside the second square brackets single quotes and tmp_name. You will also write the same word, it is the default word, like this is the default word. You will not change this name, tmp_name, and you will also write here name. So I press enter, and here I will use one more command, which is move_uploaded_file, move_uploaded_file. You will also write the same word, is the default word, and Francis and semicolon to cross. And here I will call this my $image variable, $image_tmp. This variable which I made here, I have called this variable. Comma and double quotes. Images, the folder name which I made the folder on the name of images, \, and then I have called this variable. I have written this folder name which I made. I show you, this is the folder images, and then \, and then I call this second variable images. Now you press enter, and now I show that image. by using echo br img tag. I use the now img tag img space src is equal to single cars. I would like to tell you that we are using double cars inside the PHP for echo, therefore we will write single cars here. Single cars images backslash $image, same variable, and I will now define the width, some width for this image, whatever the image I will upload, and I will also define it as height is equal to single cars 200. Now I go to my Chrome browser and I refresh the page. So friend, now I click over choose file and I will select some images, one image from here. I go search the images and I select this pretty Zenta image and I click over upload file, and now you are watching that this image is showing on my browser. So you can select any image. If I choose some other, like in spite of this, if I select this one, then upload file, then the next image, GIF image, is showing over it. And if I go to my images folder, which was empty before I shown you, and I double click over it, you can see that both of these two images are now inside this folder. So friend, in this way you can very easily upload images and send the user images to your folder, and you can also show those images on your website. I hope you would have understood. So you watch this video again and again. If you could not understand it, I see you in next video.